Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So on today's video, we'll be discussing the importance of being kind and why being kind always wins. I know that there's some people that might disagree with this. I personally think that how you treat people is who you are, especially how you react to things definitely tells who you are. It's important to treat people with integrity. It's important to treat people with kindness. And no matter who you are, people will always remember how you made them feel, not what you did for them. So going through life and only caring about yourself and only caring about ways you can get to the top, or finding out ways of getting revenge on those people that do you wrong, doesn't only waste your time, waste your energy, take you off track, but it's also very damaging internally. Imagine having to go through life trying to resent every person that ever hurt you, trying to find ways of seeking revenge to somebody that's done you wrong, or just generally being angry and projecting your life stresses and issues on other people. That drains out your energy. It turns you into a person that you don't want to meet. So far much better to be able to go through life, forgiving people for their mistakes, forgiving people, gets rid of that load and that hate and that disappointment that people may have caused you. Forgiving and moving on makes you a bigger person. It puts you so much at ease, and after all, choosing to be kind is very easy. So remember, as much as you want to be the best version of yourself, it's also very important to pay attention to how you're treating others and how you're letting their energy affect you. So remember, always choose kindness at all times. Kindness always wins. And the other thing is, some people tend to walk around projecting and saying the world is ugly, people are mean, people do horrible things, but they fail to look at themselves and see that they also contributing towards making other people feel unease, towards contributing to the world being an ugly place. So as much as we complain about what is going on, complain about how you're being treated, it's important to take a look at yourself and see how you treat others, and always remember to be kind. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.